Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We are so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna, and I am feeling very wonderful. The sun is shining, and the sky is a beautiful blue color. It is a perfect day to talk and learn together. How are you feeling today? I hope you are feeling happy and relaxed.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. Today, the weather is a little cold, but it is very cozy. I like cold days because I can stay inside with a warm blanket. I am feeling very positive and excited for our conversation today. It is always a pleasure to practice English with all of you.
I agree, Tom. Today, we have a very special and beautiful topic. We are going to talk about books. Specifically, we are going to talk about my favorite book. Do you like reading, Tom? Reading is a very good way to learn new words and imagine new worlds.
Oh, I love reading, Anna. Reading is my favorite hobby. When I read a book, I feel like I am traveling to a different place. It is very relaxing for my mind. I think reading is like a gym for the brain. It makes us smarter and more empathetic.
That is a very good point. Today, we want to help our friends describe a book in English. It is not difficult. You only need simple words to explain why a story is special to you. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, please give us a like. It helps us very much.
Yes, please subscribe and comment. We love reading your comments. Now, Anna, tell us about your favorite book. What is the name of the book? Is it a big book or a small book?
My favorite book is very famous. The name of the book is The Little Prince. In English, we call it The Little Prince. It is not a very long book. It's a short book with many beautiful pictures. The cover of my book is blue, and it has a drawing of a small boy and a star.
I know that book. It is a very classic story. Many people love that book because it is simple but very deep. I have a copy of that book on my shelf too. My copy is very old and the pages are a little yellow. I like old books because they have a special smell. Do you like the smell of books, Anna?
Yes, I love the smell of paper. It makes me feel calm. My book is a gift from my grandmother, so it is a very special object for me. I keep it on my nightstand next to my bed. I read a few pages every night before I go to sleep. It helps me have good dreams.
That is a lovely routine. Now, for our friends listening, can you explain what the book is about? Remember to use easy words so everyone can understand. Who is the main character of the story?
Of course, the story is about a pilot. A pilot is a person who flies planes. One day, his plane has a problem and he crashes in the desert. The desert is a very hot place with a lot of sand and no water. He is alone and he is a bit scared.
Oh, that sounds difficult. Being alone in the desert is a big problem. But then he meets someone, right? He is not alone for a long time.
Exactly. He meets a little boy. This boy is the Little Prince. He is not from Earth. He is from a very, very small planet. The planet is so small that it only has 3 volcanoes and 1 rose. The Little Prince travels to different planets to learn things and make friends.
That is very interesting. A small boy from a small planet. I like that idea. So the pilot and the Little Prince talk a lot in the desert. They become friends. What do they talk about? Do they talk about serious things or fun things?
They talk about many things. The Little Prince tells stories about his rose. He loves his rose very much, but the rose is a bit difficult. He also talks about a fox he meets. The fox is a very important character. The fox teaches the Little Prince a big lesson about friendship.
I remember the fox. The fox says a very famous sentence. He says that the most important things are invisible to the eyes. You can only see them with your heart. I love that idea. It means that love and friendship are more important than money or big houses.
That is my favorite part of the book, Tom. It makes me feel very emotional. Sometimes I feel sad when I read it, but it's a good kind of sad. It makes me think about my friends and my family. It reminds me to be kind to everyone.
It is a very kind book. I think that is why it is your favorite. It's a book for children, but adults can read it too. Everyone can learn something from The Little Prince. Friends, do you have a favorite book? Is it a story about adventure, or love, or mystery? Please tell us in the comments.
Yes, please share your favorite books with us. We want to know. Writing the name of a book in English is great practice. You can write, "My favorite book is," and then the name. It's a small step, but small steps are very important for learning.
You were right, Anna. Learning English is like reading a book. You start with page 1, then page 2, and slowly you finish the whole story. You don't need to hurry, just enjoy the process.
I feel very happy talking about this. Books are like friends. They are always there for you. When I am tired, I open my book. When I am happy, I open my book. It is a very loyal companion.
I feel the same way. My favorite book is an adventure book about a tall mountain. When I read it, I feel like I am climbing the mountain too. I feel strong and brave. Books can change your feelings in just a few minutes.
That is true. Now, let's look at some words we used today. We said author, character, plot, cover, and pages. These are basic words for talking about books. The author is the person who writes the book. Character is a person in the story.
And plot is the story itself, what happens in the book. If you know these words, you can talk about any book in the world. You can say, the author of this book is famous, or the main character is very brave.
Perfect. We are almost at the end of our conversation today. I hope you enjoyed learning about The Little Prince and how to talk about books. It was a very calm and happy moment for me.
Me too, Anna. I feel very relaxed now. Thank you everyone for listening to us. You are doing a great job with your English. Every day you are getting better and better. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who loves reading.
Yes, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We have many more stories and words to share with you. Have a wonderful day, enjoy your books, and see you very soon.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy reading and happy learning. See you next time.